Welcome to Giveaway Breaks. This is break number 159, I believe. eBay, 5 boxes, 2014, 15 totally certified basketball. What you bid on was a business card. If you paid for your team, which everybody did, you'll get the bonus, which is the team that was listed in the title. On the back of the business card, it gives you 10% off any retail orders at bcwsupplies.com. If you need supplies, it's a good time to get it. Just type in the word giveaway as your promo code. Give me 1 second. All right, the rules are as follows. If I lose my internet connection or my internet goes down, I'll stop everything I'm doing. Once it's done, and I get the power back or my internet back, I will continue doing the break. Everything is recorded and loaded to YouTube. If you go to my page, giveawaybreaks.com, on the bottom of the page is the YouTube link. All right, multiplayer cards. If somebody owns a majority of the teams, they will get the card. If there's no majority owner, it goes to random. If a card comes out and the guy's dressed in a, say, Pistons uniform, but on the bottom it says Bulls and on the back it says Bulls, it would go to the Bulls. Any other discrepancies, I used a checklist. I have the final say so if I need to use it, which I've only had to use once. The giveaway I'll figure after the break. Right now I just want to bust the cards. All right, good luck. Here we go. Box 1. Empty box. It's the fire alarms going off. Sorry about that. Pack 1. Good luck. Here we go. Empty pack. All right, for the Timberwolves, Young. For the Clippers, Wilcox rookie. For the Lakers, Kobe Bryant. And I sure hope you guys can see this because I am on some serious lag now. Good luck. Here we go. All right, our 2 hits for the 76ers. Irving, blue parallel, 14 of 149. If anybody can hear me, can you at least type a 1? Or at least see the cards so I know you can see them? before I continue? And actually, at this point, I am going to stop what I'm doing, leave everything as is. You can see the cameras. Everything's on camera. There is a hit up top. There's 4 cards here. I've only opened 1 pack. I am going to wait to make sure I see people type something that there are here on the screen because Breakers is acting up for me. I have somebody else complaining. And with the noise in the background, I'm sorry I have to put this on hold a second. I'm leaving it as is. Okay. I think you all can hear me. So I'm going to continue even though I might be on a lag. I just need somebody to type a 1 that they can actually hear me before I continue. If you're watching this video, once it goes to YouTube, I have only put in, there's only 4 cards that have been seen, and there's 1 hit sitting up top of the box. It's right up here. I haven't touched nothing. I left it all as is. And I have somebody typing a 1 that they can hear me, so I'm going to continue. And the rest, I'm hoping you guys can hear me. People are saying better now. I'm good. Good too. So that's all that matters. I'm going to refresh my screen myself because I was having issues. But like I said, I have the recording going, and that's all that matters. Yeah. All right, here we go. And the thing is, I wanted to make sure I waited because this is a good hit coming. So good luck. Here we go. The hit goes to Minnesota. It is a Andrew Wiggins rookie jersey patch for the Timberwolves. 217 of 249. And does anybody in the room have that team? Well, I guess not. Or we're on some serious lag. All right, well, that was pack 1. And just to recap, because not everybody could hear me or whatnot, we got an Andrew Wiggins rookie jersey patch for the Timberwolves, 217 of 249. A blue parallel for the Sixers, Julius Erving, 14 of 149. Kobe Bryant for the Lakers, Wilcox for the Clippers, and Young for the Timberwolves. That was pack 1. And here we go. Pack 2. Empty pack. Good luck. Jeremy Lin. For Memphis, Jordan Adams. For the Celtics, Jeff Green. There's the Jeff Green. There's the Adams rookie. Our hits. Good luck. Stoudemire for the Knicks. Red parallel die cut. 69 of 135. Everybody that's in the room, can you type a 2 if you can hear me? Please. Thank you. Killing Tuna. I just started the break. If you're looking for basketball, that's what this is. Oh, here everybody's crashing. No bucks. All right. Well, I got some people crashing, some not. I got to continue. Unfortunately, I probably hit one of the biggest cards in my room ever that I'm going to save on the side. Obviously, this is just not working right now. I'm good on my end, so I'm going to continue. And boss, what are you saying me? Who do you have, bud? I'm well, the hit is over here. It is right here. I'm going to move these boxes over a little bit. It's right here. Give me 1 second. This is not normal, so you guys know this is not how I do my breaks. For those that are modded up, they know. For anybody that's new, this is just not how it normally goes. I'm sorry. I've never had this much trouble. Ever. It's crazy. I'm going to save that hit for the end, hoping that everybody is alive and can hear me and can actually see it at the end of the break. Good luck. Here we go. Pack 3. I got to continue. Empty pack. Steve Adams for the Thunder. For the Jazz, Gordon Hayward. For the Rockets, Clyde Drexler. For Houston, yeah, for the Rockets, I did say that. Red parallel, 57 of 279. Kevin Love for the Cavs. And for the Bulls, Jimmy Butler. Jersey patch. 18 of 149. Grats to the Bills owner. Or sorry, the Bulls owner. Last pack, and like I said, the hit's over there. Empty pack. And for anybody that's new to the room, like I said, this is not how I normally do breaks. And I got to tell you, but this stuff has been absolutely sick in my room. I don't know why, but it has. Richmond for the Warriors. Bledsoe for the Suns. And like I said, if anybody wants to see the last 3 boxes, I mean, we can all do a reboot after this, but the Pick Your Team is actually in the store. For the last 3 boxes. Good luck. How about for the Knicks? Amari Stoudemire, jersey patch, clear cloth, 48 of 299. Congrats to the Knicks. And how about for the Bucks? A Jabari Parker rookie. Die cut. Blue parallel. There might be a little something in the top right corner. I don't know if it's the reflection or whatnot. I'm not going to touch it, but very nice card. 9 of 74. Congrats to whoever has the Bucks. And Chris Paul for the Clippers, Great American Heroes, number 257 of 299. And that was the first box besides the hit that's sitting over there on the right. Box 2, good luck. Empty box. Empty pack. Good luck. Here we go. Tim Duncan for the Spurs. Barnes for Golden State. For the Wizards, Nene. Jersey patch, clear cloth. 272 of 299. Congrats to the Wizards. I guess I'll go this route. How about for the Cavs? A Joe Harris rookie, blue parallel, 24 of 149. That was for the Cavs, and this is also for the Cavs. Congrats to the Cavs. A die-cut blue of Kyrie Irving, 72 of 74. Congrats to the Cavs owner. Empty pack. Good luck. Here we go. Dragic for the Suns. James Young rookie for the Celtics. McLemore for the for the Kings. And I was looking at the next card, which is for the Knicks. A certified excellence, Carmelo Anthony. 266 of 299. And our hit, how about for the Pelicans? Anthony Davis. Jersey patch. 56 of 199. Nice card. Congrats to the Pelicans owner. Let me look at one thing. Sorry. I just need to check one thing. Wow. All right, here we go. Let me move these. Good luck. Here we go. Empty pack. All right, for the Thunder, Ibaka. For the Warriors, Bogut. For the Trailblazers, Lillard. Sorry. For the Nets, a Darren Williams red parallel. 180 of 279. Congrats to the Nets owner. And for the, this should be cool, for the Seattle Supersonics, which will be okay. It's okay because it's going to OKC. Gary Payton, jersey patch. That's sweet. 33 of 99. Last pack of box 2. Good luck. And I don't know if it's the biggest hit in my room. I don't know. But it is sure nice. Empty pack. Kevin Durant for the Thunder. Doug McDermott, rookie for the Bulls. DeRozan for the Raptors. Gortat for the Wizards. Blue parallel. 52 of 149. Grats to the Wizards. I need another blank card. Good luck. Here's our hit. It goes to the Toronto Raptors. A Tracy McGrady autograph. Select few signatures. In this case is sick. $39 of $49. Cool card. Blank cards. Box 3. Good luck. Empty box. Empty pack. Good luck. Here we go. Iguodala for Golden State. Ginobili for the Spurs. This has got to be some sort of hot case or something. Tim Duncan for the Spurs. All right. Maybe our hot box. Luol Deng for Cleveland. Red parallel. 160 of 279. And good luck. How about for the Celtics? A select few signatures. Josh Thompson, rookie. Six of 49. It's hard to see, but it is 6 of 49. That I'm going to put on the side. Congrats to the Celtics owner. Blank cards. Here we go. This will put us at the halfway mark. Empty pack. Good luck. Tim Duncan. Corey Jefferson, rookie for the Nets. David West for the Pacers. For the Grizzlies, Stokes, rookie, die cut, red parallel for Memphis. 23 of 135. Congrats to Memphis. And this one goes to Orlando. How about a jersey patch for Alfred Payton, rookie card, clear cloth, number 3 of 199. Congrats to the Magic. Nice hit. Let me move these. Empty pack. Good luck. All right. Henderson for the Charlotte Hornets. Ross for the Raptors. How about for the Pelicans, Certified Excellence, Anthony Davis. 257 of 299. Congrats to the Pelicans. And how about for the Hawks? A Paul Millsap purple die cut. 9 of 25. And for the Bulls, Taj Gibson jersey patch. 130 of 199. Congrats to the Bulls. Last pack of box 3. Empty pack. Good luck. Steve Adams for the Thunder. Ingles rookie for the Bucks. Dwayne Wade. For the Clippers, Blake Griffin, blue parallel. 33 of 149. Congrats to the Clippers. And for Memphis, how about a Zach Randolph jersey patch? 71 of 299. Congrats to Memphis. That's box 3. The hit's still sitting over there. Box 4. Good luck. Empty box. Empty pack. Good luck. This stuff is sick. Whoever picked these boxes, you picked the best boxes I've seen. Well, I mean, we've seen some sick boxes, but this has got to be close. If not the sickest. All right, Kevin Love. Len. Here we go. Good luck. I guess I'll go this route first. How about a Nick Johnson rookie for the Rockets, red parallel? And a jersey patch for the Blazers, Lillard. The Nick Johnson is 122 of 279 for the Rockets. And the Lillard is number 3 of 249. And our hit this would be awesome if it had ink. Oh, wow. No ink, but still. How about an Aaron Gordon rookie, green parallel for the Magic? Grats to whoever owns the Magic. Wow. How about a 3 of 5? That is sweet. Grats to whoever owns the Magic. And I think Breakers is messed up. But I'm just going to keep going. Blank cards. I just have to load the video when I'm done. Empty pack. This is really a horrible time to be messed up right now on Breakers, but it is what it is. All right, for the Pistons, Drummond. For the Raptors, Lowry. For the Rockets, James Harden. For the Thunder, Serge Ibaka, red parallel. 265 of 279. And if there's anybody trying to type to me on the chat, I see nothing, so you know. All right, good luck. Our hit. Wow. Blank card. On-card autograph of Tyler Enos for the Phoenix Suns. Rookie roll call. That's cool. Grats to Phoenix. 145 of 249. I would have thought it'd been lower numbered, but still, nice card. And that's actual on-card autograph. All right, let me move these. Oh, New Yorker, I have no clue who you had, honestly. There have been hits all over the place. Breakers has been acting up. I have no clue who's got what. I'm just trying to run the video and make sure I get it loaded. But this stuff has been the sickest. probably 5 boxes that we've had, I think. It's got to be near the top 2. Empty pack. A lot of low numbers, an on-card autograph. I don't know. All right. For the Clippers, JJ Redick. Exum rookie for the Jazz. Aldridge for Portland. How about a die cut for the Cavs? No, this is not the Cavs. This is one of the rules, which is on my sheet that I said in the beginning. This is actually a Miami Heat card because it says traded to the Heat. On the bottom it says Miami Heat, Luol Deng, die cut, and on the back it says Miami Heat. This card does go to the Heat. 93 of 135. And for the Celtics, jersey patch, Rondo clear cloth, 237 of 299. Congrats to the Celtics. I knew New Yorker can hear me. Dave or Dallas, can you guys hear me? Are you guys even here? All right. Last pack of box 4. Good luck. Here we go. Stukakis rookie for the Kings. Jimmy Butler for the Bulls. Horford for the Hawks. I'm going to try and refresh my page because I have no clue if anybody can hear me. I'm just continuing. Good luck. Chris Bosh, blue parallel for Miami. 92 of 149. And good luck for the Timberwolves. A young jersey patch, clear cloth. 45 of 299. Congrats to the Timberwolves. Last box on our hit over there. Okay, you can hear, but the video sucks. All right, well, that's good. At least somebody can hear me. All right, I'm on the last box. Getting the 4 packs out of the box. Empty box. And then I have the hit over on the right. Empty pack. Good luck. And I really have no way to hide anything, so we're just going to do it. Well, I got the blank cards, but I'm just going to do it and go through it. Good luck. Ginobili for the Spurs. Kemba Walker for the Hornets. Wow. Dwight Howard for the Rockets. Epics. I guess a jersey patch. Just one. And it is 177 of 199. Congrats to whoever owns the Rockets. How about a blue parallel of Shaq for the Magic? There's the Kemba Walker. I'll put that down because I might as well just show you the blue parallel of the Brandon Knight at the same time, but this is a die cut. All right, Shaq is 129 of 149, and the Brandon Knight is 2 of 74 for the Bucks. Focus. There you go. I'm going to move those. 3 packs left, and the hit on the right. Empty pack. Good luck. Here we go. Dwayne Wade for the Heat. Bill Russell for the Celtics. Early rookie. Our hit. We'll come back to. Karl Malone for the Lakers. That was our base card. And early rookie. Our hit was Tracy McGrady for the Knicks. It's a jersey patch. And it is 25 of 99. Congrats to whoever owns the Knicks. Two packs left. Good luck. I am going to do a separate video for the giveaway. If anybody can hear me, the giveaway, what I was thinking of doing was giving away a $9.99 high-tech football team is what I'm thinking of doing for the giveaway. But I'm going to make a separate video for that because of all the stuff going on with breakers in this video. Wow. I have no clue who that is, but here we go. All right. For the Raptors, Ross, McCollum for the Trailblazers. And here we go. Good luck. For the Spurs, Certified Excellence, Tim Duncan. 154 of 299. Congrats to the Spurs owner. And for the Mavericks, Tyson Chandler, red parallel, 58 of 279. And I believe this is an auto. Good luck, and it is. It's for the Clippers, and it's an on-card rookie roll call. C.J. Wilcox, sorry. And that is on card. Congrats to the Clippers owner. And that is 113 of 299. So here we go. Good luck. Like I said, I'll do a separate video for the giveaway. Empty pack. Good luck. Here's the blank cards. Anthony Hardaway for the Magic. Avery Bradley for Boston. Marcus Smart, rookie for Boston. Jason Kidd for the Suns, jersey patch. 15 of 149. For the Thunder, Russell Westbrook, Great American Heroes. 8 of 299. Congrats, and here comes the final card. And we'll see if chat works now. Let me move these. All blank cards. Good luck and congrats to somebody that I'm sure this is worth money. There's the blank card. How about for Golden State, an on-card autograph of Stephen Curry? That is on card. That is Golden State. Steph Curry. 48 of 99. It is going to be hard to see because it's in the stands. And I got to tell you, the Warriors didn't sell for as much as they have on other nights. They did not sell for that much. And the owner of the card is in the room. He has not typed anything. And I do not know if he can hear. He may be trying to communicate with me through email. But as I said, this stuff has been absolutely sick in this room. And I know he's in the room, but he must have a problem. The owner of this card is Dallas 1369, I believe. Should be Travis P. if I seen that right earlier. No, it's not Travis P. It's Ash. And no, he is not in this room. He may be watching, but Grats when you see this video. I thought it was Travis. It is Ash. My bad. But that's a cool card. And that I am going to put over here, but I'm going to go get a one touch for it. And obviously I see the chat is working again. So with that said, that's selling for $225 on eBay. Wow. And let me tell you what Golden State went for tonight. Okay? I have seen Golden State go as high as 30 some dollars. And tonight they sold for a whopping $17.50, which I was stunned. I mean, some people bid more on other teams, but grats to Golden State. And like I said, the whole case has been sick. There are 5 more boxes. Okay? And the 5 boxes are actually in the store, which is left of that case. If anybody wants to try and bust them, let me put it up. That's the 5 boxes. Let me do the giveaway. The giveaway is going to be a $9.99 team in the high-tech football break. Here we go. I'm going to randomize the list and we're going to do the giveaway. I will then stop the break. Let me pull the list up. I got to figure out what break this was. $159. All right, here we go. I'm moving the camera. All right, here's everybody in the break. You see all your names? Good luck. This is a giveaway for break number 159. Somebody will get a spot in the high-tech football. All right, I'm rolling twice like I always do. Good luck. 1, 2. We're going 8 times. Whoever ends up in the top spot will get the $9.99 team in high-tech of their choice if it's $9.99 or less. But I think the cheapest is $9.99. And I believe on the dice roll it was 8. Can somebody confirm they saw an 8? I believe it was 8 on the dice roll. Right now, that's what I remember seeing. That's what I'm going to go with. Nobody's confirming it, but like I said, we've been having problems with breakers. I don't know for sure, but I'm going with 8. I'm sorry if I'm wrong, but that's what I remember. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2. That's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was 7. 8th and final time. Good luck. 8. The winner is Mike P. Mike P is the winner of a $9.99 team in high-tech, which is in the store. So I will get with Mike P. And thanks again for the fill. And this was break number 159.